Today I'd like to talk about sharing your pictures in Google Photos. We are in Google Photos in the screen behind you, and you will see that the album that you're looking at is September to October 2018 Australia. On September 30th, my wife and I left Vancouver, Canada for a 30-day cruise to Australia. As you look through our album here, you'll see some of the pictures are taken by me and some are taken by my wife. These are, and you'll see the names on there. Now, how this works is we took a lot of pictures on our trip. We only wanted to keep the best ones, and we wanted to share them with our friends. So how would we go about that? Well, let me go back in Google Photos to the photos in general. And I'm going to scroll down to the September. And as we come up here, you'll start to see our pictures. Now, we took a lot of pictures on the trip, a huge number of pictures. Gail took lots and I took lots, but we don't want to keep all of them because a lot of them are redundant. So what we would do each night when we got home to our cabin is we would choose which pictures we wanted to keep. So let's say this picture here, I will bring it up, and we are going to share this picture. Actually, what we're going to do is we are going to add this picture to an album. So we're going to come over here and we're going to say add it to an album. And we will just find our Australia album, which is here, and now it's added to the album. So we didn't have to delete any of our pictures. We just took our best pictures that we had, and each night we added those to the album. Now I want to come back to the album that we had, and this is called, and we'll come back to our Australia album. And what we did is we shared this album with friends. Both Gail and I shared the album ourselves, and we could add or subtract pictures. But there's a button up here, if you look up at the top, called Sharing. And when you click on this, you'll be able to type the name or address of people in that you want to share with this album. What happens when you do that is each time you add new pictures to that album, the people who you share this with will get an email outlining new pictures have been added. This way, as you travel around and add pictures to your album, it is easy to share your favorite pictures with your friends.